anything like me, when you're learning something, you look up on YouTube how to do this thing, only to find complicated, long, boring, unrealistic videos which don't actually even help. That is why this YouTube channel promises to give you the easiest, quickest and most reliable way to learn anything you want to accomplish, and I'll be the one to show you how it can be done. Join me today on the quest to find the easiest possible way to learn a wheelie in a day. I can hear what you're saying. Dobbo, I just can't get my front wheel up. It just feels like there's too much effort involved. Don't worry, I've been there, and the way around it is to push hard down before you go up. Now most bikes, except if you're riding a BMX, have some sort of front wheel suspension. You need to capitalize on this and just use it almost as a spring up. If you push down hard, it'll spring you up, and at that moment is when you attack with your feet. You can't just pull up and do nothing with your feet and hope for the best, and you can't just pedal and do a weak little pull up with your hands. That's not going to work either. It has to be timed, which takes practice. So to accomplish this part of learning to wheelie in a day, you need to practice just pulling up, using the suspension as a spring, and then pedaling hard with your feet. Once you get it up, use the brake to pop yourself down. Once you've accomplished that, now you just try and get more and more pedals in without touching the ground. To do this, you need to spread out your legs for stabilization and keep the angle of your bike quite high up so you've reached that balance point and you're not going to just lean too far forward or lean too far back.
Look, if you don't wanna change.
What I'm finding as I'm trying to learn this is I'm tilting too far either side and I can't keep straight. To do this, you need to spread out your knees so that you can balance and lean more weight on either side when necessary.
Look.
One other challenge I'm facing is touching lightly enough on the brake to stay up and stabilize without just pumping down and falling down straight onto my front wheel. To do this, you need to practice taking lighter taps and being in the position to pedal once you take that tap. To drop your nose, pick it up. Drop your nose, pick it up. Well, thanks guys for watching. Now I can't stress enough, these tips, they will help a lot, but it's all about practice and how much you want it. As you can see, my wheelies weren't perfect, but with a bit of practice, these tips will turn you into a wheelie legend.